Welcome. Over the course of 4.5 billion years, planet Earth has experienced extraordinary transformations, often punctuated by tumultuous events. Today, we embark on a journey through time to understand the sixth mass extinction, the Holocene Extinction, by examining 6 significant disasters that have reshaped our world. From volcanic eruptions to sudden climatic shifts, these events offer a glimpse into the fragility of life and the profound impact of environmental change. Join us as we delve into these disasters, unraveling the intricate web of cause and effect, and exploring the lessons they hold for our future. By learning from the past, we can hope to mitigate future catastrophes and preserve the remarkable biodiversity of our planet. Our journey begins roughly 74,000 years ago in Indonesia, home to the Toba supervolcano. The eruption of Toba was an event of unimaginable scale, spewing molten rock, ash, and toxic gases into the atmosphere. Pyroclastic flows raced across the landscape, incinerating everything in their path. Ash spread globally, casting a veil of darkness and plunging Earth into a volcanic winter. Temperatures plummeted, disrupting weather patterns and ecosystems worldwide. The sheer volume of sulfur dioxide ejected led to a volcanic winter that lasted for years, disrupting photosynthesis and leading to widespread crop failure. The effects rippled through the food chain, impacting herbivores and carnivores alike. Genetic bottlenecks suggest that the Toba eruption may have reduced early human populations to a few thousand individuals. This event serves as a testament to the resilience of life, for from the ashes of this catastrophe, humanity rose again. The Toba eruption underscores the vulnerability of life in the face of colossal events. Yet, it also highlights the incredible tenacity of life, its ability to adapt and overcome even in the face of overwhelming challenges. From the ashes of Toba, life, including our ancestors, found a way to persevere. As the Earth reeled from the Toba eruption, a new threat emerged: the icy grip of a returning ice age. Around 12,900 years ago, temperatures plummeted once more, marking the onset of the Younger Dryas. This abrupt climate shift had profound impacts on life across the globe. Imagine a world in the midst of a thaw, with glaciers receding and forests reclaiming land. Then suddenly, temperatures plunged, and the glacial advance resumed for roughly 1,200 years. Sea levels fell, forests retreated, and a new era of cold and aridity descended upon the Earth. One leading theory points to a massive influx of freshwater into the North Atlantic Ocean, disrupting the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, AMOC. With the AMOC weakened, the flow of warm water to the North Atlantic was disrupted, leading to a dramatic cooling effect. The Younger Dryas serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the sensitivity of our climate to even seemingly small changes. The sudden influx of fresh water into the North Atlantic had global repercussions, triggering a chain reaction that plunged the planet back into a near-glacial state. It highlights the delicate balance that maintains our planet's climate and the potential for rapid and dramatic shifts in environmental conditions. Imagine a world teeming with giants, where mammoths and mastodons roamed vast grasslands. Giant sloths grazed on treetops while saber-toothed cats stalked their prey. This was the world of the Pleistocene epoch, a time when megafauna ruled the planet. Yet as the last ice age drew to a close, these giants began to disappear in a wave of extinctions. The Megafauna Extinction witnessed the demise of numerous large mammal species across the globe. Climate change played a role, as temperatures rose and habitats shifted. Many megafauna species struggled to adapt to the warmer, wetter climates that followed. However, another factor looms large: the rise of humans. Overhunting, coupled with habitat loss and climate change, proved deadly for many megafauna species. The Megafauna Extinction highlights the vulnerability of large, slow-reproducing species to environmental change and the devastating consequences of habitat loss and overexploitation. The loss of these magnificent creatures serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the need to protect biodiversity and preserve the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The year is 1346. A shadow falls across Europe, born of disease and despair. The Black Death, a devastating pandemic, has arrived on European shores, carried by fleas on merchant ships. The Black Death, caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, spread through the bite of infected fleas and direct contact with infected individuals. Once inside the human body, the bacterium caused fever, chills, weakness, and painful swollen lymph nodes known as buboes. In some cases, the infection spread to the lungs, causing pneumonic plague, a highly contagious and deadly form of the disease. The Black Death spread like wildfire through Europe's crowded cities and villages. Medieval sanitation practices proved inadequate against the invisible enemy. Hospitals overflowed, mass graves became a grim necessity, and the stench of death permeated the air. The Black Death's impact extended far beyond its staggering death toll, estimated to have claimed between 75 and 200 million lives. It left an indelible mark on European society, transforming its social, economic, and religious landscapes. The pandemic led to widespread panic and fear as people desperately sought explanations for the disease. The Black Death serves as a stark reminder of the devastating power of infectious diseases and the importance of public health measures in preventing and controlling outbreaks. It highlights the vulnerability of even the most advanced societies to pandemics, and underscores the need for international cooperation and scientific understanding in combating global health threats. In the spring of 1815, the world was caught off guard by an event of extraordinary magnitude. Mount Tambora, a volcano on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa, erupted with ferocity, unleashing a cataclysm that would reverberate across the globe. The eruption, the largest in recorded history, ejected an estimated 160 cubic kilometers of volcanic material into the atmosphere. Pyroclastic flows cascaded down Tambora's slopes, incinerating everything in their path. Tsunamis, triggered by the volcano's violent upheaval, ravaged coastlines across the Indonesian archipelago. The eruption claimed the lives of tens of thousands of people, burying entire villages beneath ash and debris. The sheer volume of sulfur dioxide ejected into the stratosphere formed a global veil of sulfate aerosols, reflecting sunlight back into space and causing a significant drop in global temperatures. The following year, 1816, became known as the Year Without a Summer, as unseasonably cold temperatures gripped the northern hemisphere. Frost-blanketed fields in the middle of summer, crops failed, and widespread famine ensued. The eruption's impact was felt across the globe, with snow falling in June in North America and Europe experiencing its coldest summer in centuries. The eruption of Mount Tambora serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth systems and the potential for distant events to have global repercussions. It highlights the vulnerability of human societies to climate change and the devastating consequences of extreme weather events. Tambora's legacy serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the immense power that lies dormant within our planet and the need to understand and prepare for the potential impacts of such catastrophic events. The Earth faces a crisis of unprecedented scale, the sixth mass extinction. Unlike previous extinction events, this one is largely driven by a single species, us. Human activities are pushing countless species towards the brink, unraveling the intricate web of life. Species are disappearing at a rate far exceeding background extinction rates. Habitat destruction, driven by deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization, is fragmenting landscapes and pushing species into ever-shrinking islands of suitable habitat. Overexploitation, from overfishing to the illegal wildlife trade, is decimating populations. Climate change, fueled by our reliance on fossil fuels, is exacerbating these threats. Rising temperatures, ocean acidification, and extreme weather events are altering ecosystems at an alarming rate. The loss of biodiversity undermines the stability of ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to collapse. It threatens our food security, as we rely on a diverse array of plants and animals for sustenance. The sixth mass extinction is not an inevitability. We have the power to choose a different path, prioritizing conservation, sustainability, and the preservation of life. By reducing our ecological footprint and embracing sustainable practices, we can mitigate the drivers of extinction and create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The time to act is now. The fate of countless species, and indeed our own, hangs in the balance. Our journey through the sixth mass extinction has been a sobering reminder of the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. We have witnessed the devastating consequences of environmental change, both natural and human-induced. But amidst the stark realities of extinction, there is hope. By embracing sustainable practices and advocating for the protection of biodiversity, we can create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and reflection. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on the natural world and the challenges we face in the 21st century.